How's it going, everybody? Don here from Frank's Outdoors. Next thing we're going to be talking about is the drop shot. The best way to rig it up is to come on in and get some VMC spin shot hooks. It's basically a hook, and at the eye of it, it's got like a little swivel. So it's got two holes, one for your main line and then one for a line for your sinker. So it just makes it a lot easier to tie it. If you come on in, get some finesse minnows. We have over 10 different colors of these. Just slide it on that hook like that. And then once it's in the water, it'll sit like that. And this is a really good tactic for deep water fishing or fishing on beds. You can even fish it in shallow water, but when you don't have nothing else to fish in deep water, this is a really good tactic to use. So come on into Frank's, we'll get you set up and rigged up. We have over 200 different types of bulk plastics, and hopefully see you soon.